Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change number in Bigo Live. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change number in Bigo Live, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bigo Live app. Once you open your Bigo Live app, you need to now tap on the me icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner, then tap on the gear like icon for settings. There simply tap on account management, where all you need to do now is simply tap on the phone. Once you do so, tap on change phone number and you will be redirected to this page where you need to tap on verification code. After you type it in, you need to now type the new number you want to reset and on the send option. After you type in your verification code that has been sent to your new number, you need to now tap on the done button. After all these steps are completed, your number on Bigo Live will be successfully changed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us that thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.